Hey guys, I hope you're doing great. So in this class, we are going to learn about the basic interface of Capcut. To be honest, if you have used Premiere Pro or After Effects or even DaVinci Resolve, you would think that their interfaces are really complex. But Capcut is very different from all of them. Its interface is very simple and to the point. So yeah, let's get started. Basically, this is the home screen. Whenever you will open Capcut, you will get welcomed with this home screen. I can even expand it if I want. Okay. So whatever project which you will work on, it will automatically get saved over here. So this is one thing which I really like about Capcut, that like in Premiere Pro and After Effects, you basically have to save the source file. While in Capcut, you don't have to do anything. You just start working on one thing. And even if I just simply click on new project over here, okay, let me just quickly show it to you, and let's call it test. And as soon as I will close this, you can see that it has automatically saved the project. So there is no worry about saving the project or losing your files and all that stuff. Capcut does this really well and it does it automatically. Okay, so yeah, let's create a new project over here. Again, I will simply click over here. So the first thing which I like to do is that I like to name my project so that the final video would be named properly as well. So the name of our video is going to be this one, Opus Clip Mr. Beast. I will tell you later on why is it named like this. So I will simply copy this name from the folder, open CapCut and simply write it over here. Simply done. Okay, so now what we can do is we can basically import the files, but I'm not going to show it to you right now. I just want to show you the basic interface right now, and this is going to be a really short video, to be honest, because there isn't a lot to it. Okay, so number one, media. So whenever you want to import a file, it will exist over here in media. It is a tab which is automatically selected. So you can import your files over here. Then there is a library as well. It gives you some assets by default as well. So yeah, this is the thing about CapCut, that a lot of the things which you had to import in tools like Premiere Pro and After Effects, etc., they already exist over here. So CapCut is basically made for creators, and they have given all of the assets which you could possibly need inside the application. Obviously, if you want to go above and beyond, you can download external assets and import it over here as well. But to be honest, CapCut is so good, you get a lot of the things right inside it and you don't have to download anything extra. So the number one is media, the second one is audio over here. So there are a lot of amazing sounds over here, and you can even make a collection. So for example, there is sounds and music. So inside audio, there is sounds and music as well. So let me click on sound effects over here, and you can see that I have starred some of the sounds like this finger snap over here. So let me click on this. As you can see that I can even just test it out by clicking on it, or this old cash register sound. Cha-ching. So yeah, basically there are different kind of sounds and there is music as well. So it gives you all the royalty free music which you can use in your videos. So for example, Thanksgiving is around the corner while I'm recording this video. So it is showing me that this is the music which I can use. Let me click on this. So yeah, if that is something which you want to use in your videos, you can definitely do so. I think I have some music saved as well, which I like to use in a lot of my videos. So yeah, I really like using this sound in my videos. So the next one is text. Very obvious, you can use it to write subtitles, or you can, sorry about that, or you can simply write different kind of titles, and there are pre-made templates over here. So yeah, you don't have to basically create your own assets. You can simply use a lot of them from over here, or you can even click on them to preview them as well. So as you can see that I can preview them. I guess my screen is really big over here, but you get the idea. Okay, then there are stickers as well. Like if you want to show something on the screen, you can use this over here. Since Halloween was last month, there are, by the way, since there are so many amazing events going on around the world, whenever there is an event which is relevant, CapCut also gives you some assets for it as well. Then there are effects. So yeah, we will get into these effects and transitions as we start working on the videos. So there are some amazing effects over here, then transitions, then filters, and finally adjustments. So if you are someone who likes to tweak the colors a little bit, you can use these as well. So I thought this was getting a little longer. By the way, this is the timeline. Whenever I will import footage over here, I can scroll through the timeline over here. Our preview will be over here, and I guess this is pretty much it. To be honest, there isn't a lot to CapCut, but it is a very powerful tool. Even though I had been working professionally to edit videos in Premiere Pro and After Effects in the past, I prefer to use CapCut for my own videos because it is so easy and simple to use. So yeah, this was pretty much it about the interface. I hope that you guys really enjoyed this, and I will see you guys in the next class.